Good morning and welcome to Monday, April 27th, as we start into week 5 of e-learning. This week 5 of e-learning is one of our most important weeks that we'll have during this entire process. This week is a major review for everything we have done so far, dating all the way back to before spring break. The first 3 days of this week, we are going to be working on our 8-20 test premiere for Unit 8, Part 1, the objective part. You'll have 3 days to do this first portion of the review, and there are only 25 questions. You might be asking yourself, why would your teacher be giving you 3 days to do 25 questions? That is because the expectation on this assignment is that you actually take the time, grade this review, 8-20 test premiere, part 1, the objectives. You'll actually use the answer key to grade it. Then please watch the help videos that go through question by question and help try to explain this. As always, if the help videos still leave you confused, be sure that you let me know which questions you're having trouble with, and we can either email back and forth, we can post additional help videos, or set up a meet. So, an overview of how I would anticipate this working these first 3 days. Today, you could complete the 25 questions. This would be one way of doing it. Then tomorrow, you could grade it and begin watching the help videos. When you look at this, we have help video 69, 70, 71, and 72. Those are 4 videos you could watch tomorrow. Then Wednesday, you could finish up with 3 more videos, help video 73, 74, and 75. The help video catalog lists tells you which questions are on each of the videos. So maybe you don't miss anything on questions 1 through 4. So on Tuesday, you wouldn't have to watch help video number 69, which goes over questions 1 through 4. Same thing on Wednesday. Wednesday, you can watch the help videos of the questions that you missed. An entirely different way to do this would be to break the objective. There's 25 questions, and to break it up into questions, sets of 8, 9, 10 questions each day. So you could do several of the questions each day. 25 questions, if you do 8 or 9 a day, you'll have no difficulty at all completing the review in the 3 days. And you can watch the help videos as you go. If you're working on the objective review 8-20 and you're finding out that you're having difficulty, you can watch the help videos at any time. Whatever you need to do for those videos to help you, be sure you do that. Please take the time to turn this into a learning experience. If you just quickly fire off 25 answers, or worse yet, go straight to the answer key and copy those answers and submit it and say, hey, I'm done Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you have no learning going on in the e-learning. You've just got the E. You don't have the learning with the e-learning. So turn this into a learning experience. This is our review of everything we have done so far. If you look on your advanced planner, which is posted on Google Classroom, it gives you an idea of what you need to do each day. I would highly recommend, and I would absolutely prefer, that you do not submit the 8-20 objective part 1 of our review, the test premiere. Please grade it and write your grade out of 25, the actual grade you earned on your own out of 25, just so that I can get an idea of how well we have done so far. Particularly on the answer key, or on the test itself. If you have trouble reading question number 12, that page was scanned in independently because the Microsoft drawings. The Microsoft drawings did not transfer very well for question 12. So on the objective review 8-20, when you go to question 12, take a look at what is scanned in for you, that whole page. Again, Tuesday is help video day, and Down here on our advanced planner, you'll see the catalog of what goes with which questions. So to see, like if you missed 8 or 9, you'll need to watch help video 71. Wednesday of this week is your second day to watch the help videos and to continue to make sure that you understand the material that we have covered in Unit 8. Then at the end of this week, Thursday, Friday, and into next Monday, we will do Review 8-20 Part 2, 8-20 Test Premier Part 2, and that would be what the written part of the test would have looked like. And on Thursday, Friday, and next Monday, it'll follow much the same pattern. Again, plenty of help videos posted. Take the time to watch the help videos. Take the time to email me questions on parts you're having trouble with. Everything you need to know is on those help videos. Watch them carefully. Put the learning in e-learning. Have a great day.